Let's make a follow-up video. We've just experimented with Gitfiend on an Arch Linux installation. So this is not ArcoLinux, it's the basis on which ArcoLinux is based, Arch Linux. And this is the look that XFCE has for you in store if you are going to for a real Arch Linux Archway installation. This is XFCE, nothing more, just except this Gitfiend we're trying to install. So in the other video we said that we need the Chrome sandbox needs to be something special. We've seen a tutorial that's here, well, not a tutorial, but it's coming from Zettler, but it's all the same. Just think out of the box, that's what I always say. Here they try also to run Chrome sandbox, and that's the same thing we have, but then of course with another application, but it's the same application. And they say to schmod this with 4755, which is going to make sure that this application can be run as root being a user. That's basically. And it says it fixes this issue on Arch-based distros and allows it to run. So that's what we've done. We've added this code that we've just done here somewhere. I hope we can still find it. And otherwise we'll just type it in again. So it's a schmod, here it is. Sudo schmod 4755 Chrome sandbox has been added to the package build. So if we say yay minus syu, that's not a capital S, so nothing will happen, minus syu, we're going to update everything coming from the AUR. And like I said, we have with another package built in here. So it says, you want to update? Say, yeah, sure, go ahead. Go ahead, go ahead. And it's going to, well, change the file here, overwrite it again, but of course it's the same thing. So it has this strange look, this red look when we type it in here. It's the same red look we have on ArcoLinux. So it's a bit special, and it is also a bit special since it has this S here. Now I was looking for a good tutorial. So first of all, everything is updated, so that's good. We have version number 3 now on this machine, and let's first have a look. So everything is working out of the box. Any Arch Linux installation with the minimal stuff, this is really minimal installation yet, and Gitfiend is working. All right, so what was I going to say? Yeah, there's this special thing, right? So I do not have I found some answers, but let's see if we can find it again on this machine. Arch Linux 4755 RWS, that is specific. Those things are the specific things, but it's actually not an Arch Linux thing, so it's more a file permission thing. It's a Linux thing, and it has to do with file permissions. And let's see if I can find something to explain it to you. What does the attribute mean? We have here something. Oh, it's exactly the one I found earlier on. It's not called a sticky bit. It's not. It has to do with the fact that it's sets the set UID. So the S stands for set UID, user identity bit, which tells the OS to execute that program with the user ID of its owner. This is typically used with files owned by root to allow normal users to execute them as root with no external tools like sudo or pk exec, like we do in Calamares, pk execute Calamares. Then Calamares is run as root. So we don't need that because of the fact that we use a schmod 4755. So basically this Chrome sandbox needs to be started up as root. That was the problem that we had on this machine. But as you can see, that's out of the way because of the fact that we've added something to the package build. So everything is gonna work for everybody. Being on ArcoLinux or Arch Linux doesn't matter anymore. I believe we have solved that one. And if there's other things, well, put them on the AUR and we'll figure it out together so we can have this application on our Arch distros. All right, I'm out.